Look at my friends. They're getting closer. Do you see that sun? The sun rays. Look at them. Just trying to understand. Look at, they're all coming closer. Look, they're coming closer to the light. Oh my goodness, Spirit, that is funny. That is wonderful. Look at that. You cannot. Oh, that's great. Look at that. Heaven, let your light shine down. Oh, do y'all see this? I mean, you just... Welcome to my world, guys. Look at that rainbow. They were way the hell over there by the road. But that mean guy over there wouldn't let me close to them. So I sat down over here. And they came closer.